Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can fix the nail daily task on Dress to Impress. I don't know what to call it. So sometimes you have to go to the nail salon and you have to do it 3 rounds. So basically, it's only going to be accepted if you change the design of the nails. So if you only change the color of the nails, it's not going to tick off like the daily task. So you do have to change the design on it, and you don't even have to play it until like the end of the round. It's just going to be ticked once you've done that. So that's how you can fix the glitch basically. And yeah, that's the only way to do it. So just change the design. If you just change the color, it's not going to get ticked off. So just select the ones here and it will be checked off of your daily tasks on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!